Welcome to Bholanat Academy. Today we are going to see the color of 3D transition metal ions. Now students, 3D transition metal ions, total 10 elements are present in the 3D group. Scandium to zinc 30. Scandium atomic number is 21 and zinc is 32. Now students, color of the substance depend upon the absorption of light of a particular wavelength by electrons. That means number of unpaired electrons play very important role for the formation of the color in transition element. Now students, first we are writing atomic ground state electronic configuration of scandium, which atomic number is 21. Ground state electronic configuration, students, we are writing like this: argon 18. Now 18 electrons are present in argon. If you minus it from scan 21, that means 3 electrons are distributed in 3D and 4s2. And the 3D orbit will contains only one electron. This is the electronic ground electronic configuration of scandium 21. Now students, what happens when it will form the scandium 3+? That means these 3 electrons will be eliminated. Now what happens, students, when this element will give these 3 electrons, it will form scandium 3+ cations. Scandium 21, it will convert into scandium 3+. That means argon 18, 3d0. Now it is becoming 3d0 and 4s. This orbital is also having 0 electron. That means here number of unpaired electron, unpaired electrons, that means single electrons, are 0. That means whenever it will form the compound, it forms colorless compound. Now students, that means there is no, when it will form the compound, there will be no unpaired electron. That means it will form colorless compound. Example, students, you can write scandium trichloride, which is colorless compound. Colorless compound. Now students, second element in 3D transition element, students, that we are going to see, that is titanium. Now second element of 3D is titanium. Titanium, students, atomic number is 22. Its electronic configuration is, we are writing argon 18. Now 4 electrons are distributed like this: 3d2 and 4s2. Now what happens, students, when it will form is titanium 3+? Titanium 3+, when it form cations, what happens, students? The electronic configuration of titanium 3+, students. Now when you see the outermost electron here, there is a 4 electrons. And 3+ means 3 electron it will give to the other anions. What happens, students? It will form 3d1 and 4s0. 2 electron from s orbital and 1 electron from d orbital will participate in the bonding, and 1 electron will be as it is. That means here, students, when you see number of unpaired electrons, students, which are present in this compound will be only 1. That means when there is unpaired 1 electron, that means it forms purple color compound. Purple color, students, see, which is very important, students. This purple color compound is, which is very important. Now students, example you can see here, very simple example, that is titanium hexahydroxide. Now students, it will form 3+ complex. This complex is always purple in color. Now titanium, students, it is also forming titanium 4+. Same titanium is also forming titanium 4+. Titanium 22 4+. What happens, students? What will be the electron configuration? All the 4 electrons will participate in the bonding. That means after the formation of the compound, there is 0 electron present in the orbitals. So that means number of unpaired electrons, students, number of unpaired electrons are 0. That means it forms colorless compound. It will form colorless compound. This is about the titanium 4+. Now students, third element we are going to see, that is called as vanadium. Third element, students, vanadium, atomic number is 23. Electronic configuration, students, vanadium atom is what? Argon 18. Now students, vanadium, now how 5 electrons, if you subtract 23 minus 18, 5 electrons are distributed in 3d and 4s like this. 3d2, s orbital is always containing 2 electrons, 3 orbital will be here, 3d orbital will contain 3 electrons. Now what happens, students? This vanadium 23 will donate 3 electron, it will convert into vanadium 3+ cations. What will be the electronic configuration? Argon 18, 3d 2 and 4s 0. Now students, when you form the compound contains 2 electrons. 2 unpaired electrons are present in the compound. That means in the compound you will find number of unpaired electrons. How much? Number of unpaired electrons which are negatively charged, that is 2. That means it forms, when you see the compound students, it forms which color? Green color. This vanadium 3 plus always forming the green color compound. Green color compound students. Now see here green. This is very important word students. Now students, this is, we have seen about the vanadium 3 plus. Now we will see the chromium, which is very important compound students. Chromium atomic number students, you know what is the atomic number of chromium? 24. Now what will be the electronic configuration students? Electronic configuration of chromium is in ground state organ 18 3d5 4s1. Now what happens students when chromium will form the compound chromium 3 plus? When 3 electron will participate the organ 18. Now out of 6 electrons, 3 electrons are used in the formation of bond. Now 3 unpaired electron will present 3 d orbitals. 4s will be 0. Now students, when you see the number of unpaired electrons after the formation of the bond, the compound contains unpaired electron number how much? 3 unpaired electron. That means when you see the compound students, it forms, the compound looks like violet color. Violet color students. That 3 electrons mean 3D compound will be always, sorry students, violet, which is very important students. Here students, violet I have written here, that I am underlining with violet color. Now students, we will see the manganese. Manganese students, that is the 5th D group 3D elements. Manganese, when you write down the ground state electronic configuration of manganese students, manganese 25, atomic number is 25, its electronic configuration is organ that 18. Now 7 electrons are distributed like this, 3d5 and 4s2. Now students, when manganese will form the compound with manganese 2 plus, what happens students? What will be the electronic configuration? That means the d orbital will contains 5 unpaired electron and 4s will be 0. Here students, number of unpaired electrons are, number of, when you see the compound contains number of unpaired electrons, that is 5 unpaired electrons are there. That means students, if 5 unpaired electrons that present, that means it will form light pink color compound. It forms light pink color compound. See students, it will develop light pink color. Now students, what happens when the manganese students, manganese will form the manganese 3 plus cations. Manganese 3 plus cations. Manganese 25. What would be the electronic configuration students? When you see the electronic configuration, organ 18. Now 3 electrons are used in the formation of bonding. How many electrons remaining students? Out of 7 electrons, 3 electrons we have used, so 4 electrons are present and 4s is always 0. Now students, when you see students, number of unpaired electrons in manganese 3 plus students, which is very important students, unpaired electron. So these unpaired electrons students, they are deciding the color of the compound. Now it forms violet color. That means if 4 electrons are present, that means they will also develop the violet color compound, which is very important students. That means here I am again underlining with violet. Now students, this I have explained 5 elements of the 3D elements from scandium to manganese. In the first lecture students, this I have explained. Now in second lecture we are going to see the other 5 elements in next video. Thank you students, thank you very much. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.